So, hello everyone. Today we start the next topic, which is process of refining of petroleum. Now, most of you studying in SFS, you reside near the Narengi area. So, as a result, as you reside in the Narengi area, so you should know that there is a petroleum refinery at Nunmadi, which is the Nunmadi oil refinery, that is Indian oil refinery. So, in Nunmadi refinery, this is the process which is carried out. Means the crude oil or the petroleum is separated into various fractions. So the process of separation of the different fractions of petroleum is called process of refining of petroleum. Is that clear, everybody? It is called process of refining of petroleum. Now how it is carried out, that is the next part. Now it is carried out in a big tower or a big column, which is called the fractional distillation tower. There you get separated all the crude oil into petrol, diesel, then turbine fuel, then the fuel which is used in aeroplanes. In these cases they get separated out. So the process of refining of petroleum and its various constituents is that which we will study today. So the most important constituent of petrol is LPG. You are all familiar with LPG, that LPG is nothing but liquefied petroleum gas which you use in our household, the cylinders. So this gas is actually liquefied under a certain temperature and pressure. The next is we have petrol. Petrol, all of us know where it is used and all. Next is kerosene. Kerosene also many of us know it is used in household words. Diesel. Now diesel is actually, there are many types. You have high speed diesel and you have low speed diesel. High speed diesel is used in heavy vehicles, whereas low speed diesel is used in light vehicles. These are those type of diesels which are being produced by using some kind of catalyst or by using some kind of special agents. Then the next part which is used is lubricating oil. Have you seen lubricating oil when we do servicing of our bike or car or fan? We put some oil or we put some oil in the chains of the bikes, a black color ka oil, that is called lubricating oil, and that is also part of refining of petroleum. Then we have bitumen. Bitumen is generally used in making of roads along with coal tar. Last class of surface. Bitumen is generally used in making of roads, and bitumen is also used in paints. You can see a fine very smell in the paints. They are also used in paints. This is also a petroleum compound. And last but not the least, you have another subject, another fraction which is called paraffin wax. And paraffin wax is generally used in different kinds of candles or in other cases. For example, you can see, if I give a live example, one more thing, Nivea. This kind of bottles, Nivea or Vaseline, in those kind of things, jelly-like substances, paraffin wax is used. And also paraffin wax is used in different ointments, in medicinal purposes, and they are mostly used in candles. Candle ka jo wax hai, that is being made by paraffin wax. So at last we see that there are various fractions of petroleum, which is LPG, petrol, kerosene, diesel, paraffin wax, lubricating oil, bitumen. So you have to write these different fractions of petroleum and what is petroleum refining in your copy along with the uses and show to me. Okay. So that's all, everybody. Thank you very much. In the next class, we will come with the next topic, which is called natural gas. And natural gas is also a type of component only. So the compounds which you obtain from petroleum, these compounds together, they are called as petrochemicals because they are obtained from petroleum. So LPG, paraffin wax, petrol, diesel, kerosene, bitumen, lubricating oil and paraffin wax are all known as petrochemicals. Okay. Thank you very much. So notes and everything will be coming up in Google Classroom. All the best. Stay safe. Good night.